Here's the problem: trying to find safe outdoor equipment for your baby or small child. This Little Tikes solves the lack of safe outdoor play for babies and children. According to my research, the standout feature of this Little Tikes is its exceptional durability. The Little Tikes is going to offer the safety and reliability that every parent and grandparent wants. And when your kid screams higher, higher, well, that's okay, because you're going to have confidence in this piece of equipment. It's made tough. It's going to withstand the outside weather. You can look at this little swing and tell it's very sturdy and it's well made. Now, some people have been concerned about the buckle quality. Well, personally, I don't see it. That buckle snaps in and locks in and holds it. I bought this one for my 6-month-old grandson. I feel very confident in the safety of this swing. Is it worth it? Well, I think so, especially at this price. I think it's going to be incredibly durable and last for years. I can just imagine all the fun my grandson's going to have in it.